Hey guys, welcome back to Jay's Kitchen. Thanks so much for tuning in. So today I've made chili capsicum chutney. Capsicum is filled with vitamin C and yumminess. Capsicum chutney is really yummy and amazingly served with idli and dosas. So let's see how to make this yummy and healthy chutney. To the pan I'm adding gingerly oil. To the oil I'm adding mustard seeds, fennel seeds, Urad Dal, Channa Dal, dry red chillies, Asafoetida, small onions, and saute this till the onions become translucent and the dal turns color. So it will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Now while it's cooking, I'm going to show the capsicum. I'm using green capsicum. You can use red, yellow, anything you wish. Now I've washed the capsicum 2 times. If you wash it 1 time, it will be really spicy. 2 times, a bit spicy, and the third time, it won't be that spicy at all, but it'll have the flavor. So if you just want the flavor, not the spice, then you have to wash it twice. So it's cooked. I'm going to add this one. I have washed 2 times. So I'm going to just mix everything together. I'm adding some rock salt. So I'm going to mix it again. So I'm going to close cook this for about 5 minutes, not more than that, because it should not become soggy. It should be a bit crunchy and a bit soggy. So just about 4 minutes, that's totally enough. I've added the sauteed ingredients in the mixie jar. I'm going to add 1 inch of tamarind, grated coconut, just about 1 tablespoon. I've already added salt. Now I'm not going to add any water, just grind it to a fine paste. I'm going to make tadka. I'm adding some oil, some mustard seeds, Urad Dal, and Asafoetida. The mustard seeds has to crackle and then the Urad Dal has to change color. So tadka is done. So yeah guys, chili capsicum chutney is ready. So this is a really yummy chutney. You'll be really surprised how a capsicum chutney will taste. Yes, it tastes that yummy, so it is amazing with idli and dosa. So hope you guys try it and see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.